Today we're gonna bring a handheld chainsaw. Now I'm gonna be honest with you, my tree next door is leaking over to our side. We're gonna actually trim it down and see what we can do with this. So let's open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. So just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this item out, so let's go ahead and review it. First of all, you get the instructions, gloves, because these are definitely going to come in handy right now. More gloves, the secondary glove, the chainsaw itself, if you guys can see it, 2 batteries and a charger. Perfect for this. We're gonna set it up and see how it looks like. It does come with 2 batteries and 1 charger, right? Just to let you guys know. So this one, look at this. The locking mechanism unlocked. This is a safety here. You can't push anything, and this is the other one. So it only goes one way. They give you an actual tool to tighten up the chain in case it gets loose. Tied it up in here, so it's perfect fit for it. So like I said, 2 batteries, and you do have to oil it up, and they give you another chainsaw in case something goes wrong with this first one. You can always replace it, and of course extra tools. Everything's included, but my recommendation is oil it up once in a while. They do sell chainsaw oil on hardware stores, so you can find it. So today I like that because it's cover. Let's lock it up, make sure that I don't push the button by accident. I like that because there's this cover here. You guys can see handheld unit, not very hard to hold it, 24 volts. So let's cut this tree and make it trim it down. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, was the aftermath. We took out the main branches here. I couldn't reach those ones on the top. We're still gonna cut them later, bring the ladder and cut them down, but made a mess here. Now it's time to clean up, but now it's not hitting my canopy no more. We're good here. So very simple. Love the actual chainsaw. Easy to use, easy to cut, very simple. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.